everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna go to our part 2, how to create what they call WordPress plugins. So in part 1 we did try to do our basics, and the plugin was working 100%. And if you didn't watch part 1, please look into the description below. I'm gonna put it there, the link, and also I'm gonna also put what they call a link into the cards, and also a link into what they call the end screen. Yes, right. Please, if you didn't do that, there's no way you can go proceed without watching part 1, unless if you have more knowledge about this and you just want to add what you have on that. So today's we're gonna just look into much of security. So remember, we did create a plugin called Azania. You can see Azania plugin is here. Remember, in part 1 it's working 100%, but now we're gonna go to do or look into what they call security. So now without security you can't be online, you know, unless if you want to use your WordPress plugin at offline and in a specific network. But why would you like to do that? So anyway, if you don't do what we're going to do, is like chances are high that WordPress, they will never accept your plugin. So you must have those requirements to be able to trade with them and put your WordPress plugin there. So we in here, I'm gonna go to plugins, and we go to our plugin here. This is the plugin called Azania. Okay, so we go to your what they call we in what they call index.php in the plugins folder, the plugins file. Okay. So now what's gonna happen, there are 3 functions which are doing the same thing, but so we're gonna use one of your choice, but we're gonna give you 3 of them. You use whichever you want to use. Okay, here we're gonna start and say, if you open and say is not, then you say defined, then what do? We go in here and close here, and come inside here and put the argument which is going to tell you, say ABS path. Okay, ABS path. Then you open here and close here, and then here you can do something like, you know, there are 2 things to terminate your function. There is what they call exit. You know, exit function, everyone knows who use PHP much, exit function. And also there is what they call die function. Okay, those 2 you can use whatever you want. Let's use exit for now. After that you save. Okay, after saving, let's see if we have any error when we visit our plugin. So if we visit our website, we don't see any stress, so simply means that works. So that is being done in case somebody tried to access your files without any permissions, so it will try to avoid him and protect your plugin. Okay, the second method goes like defined. Okay, then you go inside here and put in what they call ABS path. It's gonna be capital letter ABS path. Okay, once you're there, then you can say, skip there and say or die. O is not capital, it has to be small letter, or die. Get me? So when we say or die, then we can put here something, then we close. We can say maybe you try, say try again later Okay, again, later we have no internet connection. Here we're trying to play with the intruder's mind that, oh, they don't have internet connection. Here this is something, but here you remember we didn't do anything, we just killed it, you get me? So here you can put any message you want, and you tell him, look, try again later, we have no internet connection. That we will sit down and say, what's going on here? They don't have internet connection. Okay, the third thing is, you don't use them at once, you get me? Use one of your choice. You can say if is not, okay, then you say function underscore exists. It's gonna be exists. Okay, then you close here and go inside here and say add action. We're gonna tell to add action, add underscore action. That's good. That's great. Okay, when you finish there, and then you come in here and you put that, close, and after there, then you're gonna go and do this. Okay, also go here inside, then we're gonna create our beautiful message, then we exit. So inside here we can say echo, okay, and we come inside and say okay, please note that we do not work at this time. Okay, say okay, what's going on here? So these are just confusing messages to the intruder. Then after there, you don't forget your exit, you exit there. So that's fine. So 3 of these statements can help you to secure your plugin. You understand? So now what are we gonna do is you're gonna use your own, the best you want. So remember, we tested the first one. We're gonna copy this and we delete the first one because we used it already. So we're gonna come here and close this and save this guy and go to your WordPress and try to refresh. If we don't see any problems, then it's gonna be pretty good. So let me go here, we try, this is dashboard, go back to dashboard here and say go home. When we go home, also visit website, we visit it, you can see there's no error, nothing. Okay, that's right. So we're gonna go and we go to dashboard again, we go to plugins, you can see the plugins are there, our plugin is here. Then we can go back here and say we're gonna go back and say okay, and we say tell this guy, look, we're gonna delete you, 2 of you, because we've tested you already. So what we do, we save here. After saving, we go here and refresh. After refreshing, we're gonna see what's going on. There's no issues yet, and we go and visit our website, no issues, no whatever. Remember, we did put in debug, we in a development phase, so any error which we're gonna come across is gonna be displayed on our WordPress, you get me? So we did that in the first tutorial to show you how to do that. So guys, that's the end of our second tutorial in this series, this part 2. we're gonna go to part 3 and more on and on and on. So guys, here you're gonna choose anything of your choice. I would go for the first one myself, but I don't say it's the best. That's my personal decision. So I'm gonna save that file, close that file, then I'm fine. Yes, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Azania Tutorials. Don't forget also to click that comment, that bell button, so that whenever we upload a new one, you're gonna get each and every video, and you won't miss nothing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. We humans, we might have skipped or forgot something small. You can remind us in a good manner in our comments. Thanks for watching. We're building YouTube to be a place whereby everyone can come and get knowledge of WordPress and other stuff. So we really appreciate if you can get involved and help us if we made some mistake or there's some suggestions, so people who watch this can also benefit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. We appreciate your support.